Okay, I think this is day 5. Still in my jammies. It's Saturday. Getting ready for our worship service. And I almost didn't do it, but I decided to do it, do the little video, do my little workout. And I just wanted to explain one thing that I'm looking for is I have lymphedema in this arm. Because when I had my mastectomy, they also removed, I think, a total of 17 lymph nodes. And they explained they went deeper than they needed to. They went beyond because just in case they had missed any of diseased lymph nodes. And I said, what's going to happen to me with the loss of those lymph nodes? And they said it's livable and it will preserve your life. And so at the time, I agreed to it. Now looking back, I would probably have tried some different things before I had doctors amputate. So anyway, I'm alive, I'm healthy, I'm strong. I just look a little different than when I was born, from what I was born with. But anyway, so I don't know if people notice it or not, but you know, this arm is significantly larger than this arm all the time. Not ridiculously large, but I notice it. I have a sleeve I can wear. It's like, you're like, what are those called? Those socks that constrict your feet, your legs for circulation. But, and I could wear it, but when you get it up this high, up here, it goes all the way up, it pinches and it hurts. And so on some days, you know, occasionally, very rarely, I will wear it if I seem to be having more trouble than usual. Right now, I'm taking something called hydrochlorothiazide, which is a very gentle water pill. It also helps with my blood pressure. And I would like to wean myself off of that. I'm only on amlodipine for my blood pressure right now, and I'd like to wean myself off of both of those medicines. So that is one of the reasons I am determined to try this course of action, to take responsibility for my own health instead of going to a doctor who is very limited in their knowledge. They know a lot about their one field of expertise, but they do not know, most doctors do not have an understanding of how each organ needs to work healthily, interact with the other organs. So, you know, I've watched my husband go to pulmonary doctors for his lungs and heart doctors, cardiac doctors, cardiologists and whatnot. They don't even know the same stuff. They don't even know. Like, he bounced back and forth between a pulmonary doctor and a cardiologist for probably a year because they kept saying, oh no, you have a lung problem. Oh no, you have a heart problem. Oh no, I know it's a lung problem. They're very similar. The symptoms are very similar. And it was almost laughable. And finally, his pulmonary doctor, PA, met or had video conferences and whatnot with his cardiologist, and they started communicating with the knowledge they each had and then working with Stephen. So that's just to say their field of expertise is very narrow. And so I would rather take responsibility and have my organs, systems, my bodily systems healthy. And I'm going to do one more thing, and then I'm going to quit for the day because today is our worship service. I don't know what time it is. I think it's 9, 10, 9, I don't know. And we have it at 1. I think it's 9 o'clock. And I still have to frost a birthday cake. That's what I'm doing. Then I'll go up and shower and get dressed. Maybe go down just even a little bit lower. I'm having, my back is very straight. I'm trying to keep my spine very straight. Don't know if that's the best way, but it feels good. And trying to pull in my stomach, behind my belly button. My weakest point is my core. And so that's what I'm trying to strengthen, is my core. I had 6 pregnancies, very large babies, put on weight each time that I shouldn't have put on. I did end up losing most of it finally, but my core became very weakened during those times. All right, that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna do that. Now I have to tear down my rebounder. Don't want it here in the church service. So, day 5. We'll see what happens. God bless you all.